Andariki Namaskaram. It's November 1st, Andhra Pradesh Formation Day. This day marks celebrations of cultural programs reminding the rich history, resilience and vision for progress, commemorating the unity and cultural pride of Telugu people. Alongside all Telugu people, I would like to celebrate the Formation Day of Andhra Pradesh with the song Ma Telugu Talliki Mallepu Danda, written by Shankarambadi Sundarachari, and is tuned by Tanguturi Surya Kumari, who in fact sang this song for the first time. Well, here's the song. Ma Telugu Talliki Mallepu Danda, Ma Kanna Talliki Mangalaratulu, Ma Telugu Talliki Mallepu Danda, Ma Kanna Talliki Mangalaratulu. Karupulo Bangaru, Kanuchupulo Karuna, Chirunavvulo Sirulu, Toralinchu Ma Talli, Ma Telugu Talliki Mallepu Danda, Ma Kanna Talliki Mangalaratulu. Galagala Godari kadalipotuntenu, Pira Pira Krishnamma paruguledutuntenu. Galagala Godari kadalipotuntenu, Pira Pira Krishnamma paruguledutuntenu. Bangaru pantale pandutayi, Muripala mutyalu doralutayi. Ma Telugu Talliki Mallepu Danda, Ma Kanna Talliki Mangalaratulu. Amaravati Nagara Apurupa Shilpalu, Tyagayya Gontulo Taradu Nadalu, Tikkayya Kalamulo Tiyandanalu. Nityamai